What's up, y'all? Thank you for coming to my channel to check out this tutorial. First, I went ahead and sprayed her face with a Too Faced Hangover RX primer spray, or whatever you call it. And then I went ahead and added some foundation. I am a mixologist, an artist in real life, so I went ahead and mix two colors together to get her perfect shade. And now I'm just going ahead and applying a concealer shade that's about two shades lighter than her skin complexion, right under her eye, because we all love that highlighted look. I'm taking it on the sides of her nose to give us that little snatch look a little bit. Taking it on the bridge of her nose, of course, and I'm also going to take it on her forehead. Not too far up, because we don't want the forehead sticking out too much. You feel me? We don't want it to be like, pow. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add a concealer shade that's about 4 or 5 shades lighter right in the inner corner under that eye and in the center of her forehead and the tip of her nose, because we really want that highlighted look. We all know the girls love a good highlight. So first, after letting that concealer sit for a while, I went ahead and blended out the edges of her under eye, and then I also blended out the forehead and nose, because I really want that highlight color to sit and set so it won't move around too much. And then I'm going to go in and blend out that area. I'm also concealing her eyelids, because the look that we're going for is a soft glam look. So I'm going to add some concealer on her eyelids, not on her crease, but just her eyelids. Y'all see what I mean by that later on. Okay, after blending for my life. Oh, I'm still blending. Okay. Oh yeah, we gotta blend under the eyes. Sometimes it don't be enough concealer, so you just go back in and add a little bit, or the excess that's left on your concealer brush, and just pat, blend. Make sure you're not taking it too far out, or as far as you need to go. Okay, now after that, I'm of course taking my yellow powder from Juvia's Place, because this is the Juvia's concealer that I'm using for her. I don't know the exact name of the color, or if it's several colors, but I'm taking that under her eye, and I first go directly under her eye, because this concealer does crease, and we do not want it to crease. It does give off a beautiful look, but we got to make sure we're setting, okay? And I'm also going to take that powder and set her eyelid. It's going to give us that nude eyeshadow look that I want. And then, of course, for the snatch nose, we got to set the sides of the nose. Okay, y'all? Period. Now, I'm taking my contour brush. Y'all gonna see from my videos, this is my favorite brush. Leave me alone. I'm taking that, and I'm taking my bronzer, and I'm just bronzing her cheeks. And once you just watch, you'll see that I'm just following the shape of her face and blending out those edges. And now I'm going to also go ahead and blend on her forehead. Like I said, we don't want the forehead to be popped out too much, so we blend. And then taking that on her eyelids, in her crease, to give that contour look. And I take it lightly. Now, as y'all can see, I'm adding my blush. Wouldn't be India if it wasn't no blush on the cheeks. Even for my clients that don't wear blush, you're getting a little bit of blush, honey. Blushes will make your makeup look natural, to be honest. Now I'm going in with my Morphe brow pencil. I'm not sure the specific name, but it's a Morphe eyebrow pencil. They have so many colors. It's such a good pencil. It does run out pretty quickly, but I'm a makeup artist, so I don't know how much y'all will use do y'all eyebrows. But anyways, I am going in and lightly giving some hair-like strokes. At the top, I draw my hair like hair-like strokes downward, and when I get to the bottom of the brow, I like to draw them upward just so they can look really natural. I want her eyebrows to look really natural, and I want them to blend with her hair too. And as y'all can see, she got her streaks, so I don't want them too dark. Shout out to my cousin for letting me use her song. Okay, I'm gonna leave her link in the description below. Check her out. She fire, period. Bitches flexing gay, pop up off the clock. American like it's idol, spitting game like it's Bible, pussy clench like a title. Okay, so now I am going in to conceal underneath the brow so we can get that highlight and that clean look. Y'all see, my client was knocked out, okay? Because when you come to me, know you about to get pampered unless I am in a rush, which mostly I am not, unless you're rushing me. But that's off topic. That's so off topic. Okay, I'm gonna just let y'all watch. I need 24 carats, want me to wear it. Bad bitch gotta be 8 figures, want me to share it. Stay far from these lame bitches, cause they some parrots. Pop a truck, watch her change up and beg for me to spare it. Hit the club, bad as hell, cause I'm that bitch. Ooh, look, she mad as hell, bitch, go slit your wrist. And these niggas fake as hell, they flip like a switch. I like my niggas busy and 50, I'm talking rich. Okay, so now I'm going to take that same concealer brush after wiping off the excess. I'm going to just blend that highlight out a little bit. And take my contour brush and try to, you know, just get my, put some color back in the crease if I blended it away with my concealer. And I'm also taking my under eye brush and I'm taking a little bit of powder and just setting that concealer because I don't like when it looks wet. Y'all, my client was so sleepy. I went ahead and lined the lips off camera. But I will be applying the lipstick on camera, you know. I always blend my liner out with a brush or with a Q-tip. And here I'm adding my black liner in the waterline, and I only tight line in the inner corners because some people have watery eyes and I don't want to disturb their eye or the makeup. Now I'm taking some contour powder and just adding a little dimension, a little you know, bronze under that waterline. Adding some highlight in her inner corners and on the tip of her nose. This is my Queen Cosmetics highlighter, loose powder highlighter, and I use this in majority all my makeup looks, unless it's too dark. And here I'm going to be popping on some black Orchid lashes. I'm going to go ahead and link the Instagram and the website down below so y'all can go shop with my girl Kanisha. And by the way, I do not offer these lashes. My client brought those lashes to me. After sizing both of the lashes up, I went ahead and applied them on the eyelid. And now y'all can see why I added the concealer on the eyelid. Y'all see that nude look is just so pretty. And now I'm taking some face powder, some foundation powder, and applying it basically on the bottom areas of her face because we don't want it to be wet. We want it to be matte and set. Spraying her face with my Morphe setting mist. This is the best setting spray I've ever used. And now I'm just adding some lipstick. I cannot tell you what lipstick this is. Look at the color. Go to the store. See if you can find it. That simple. LOL. But I'm just gonna add that on her lips where I want it to be most opaque and a little bit over the liner because we're giving that ombre look. So I'm gonna take my Q-tip. First I gotta let it set for a second, let it dry down. Because I don't want it to be moving around too much onto the eyeliner. I'm sorry, the lip liner. And now I'm taking my Q-tip, or I take a brush and I go ahead and just blend out the edges. Like a typo, then leave him drenched, now he's psycho. Keep them both like it's typo. Stuff these hoes like a scarecrow. Drop his ass like it's limbo, but to the top is where I go. They think they act up, mouth big with little nuts. Look rough, but ain't tough. Been to snatch the hoe like a pair of bucks. Bitches think they lucked up, but they had us fucked up. Fell before I touch cuffs. Next time, bitch, shut the fuck up. Bitch. Never seen a bitch like me. Yeah, I'm better made, coming straight up off the east. Yeah, I got some plugs and they posted on the west. They like to finesse in my city, like to flex, huh? I need 24 carats. Want me to wear. Woo, that was a process. Now, after blending out the lipstick, I'm going to top it with some lip gloss. I'm using my So Juicy gloss from ColourPop. I don't know what shade it is, but it is a banger. So if I can find it, I'm going to link it below. I like my niggas busy and 50. I'm talking rich. Bitch, I'm from the D. Shout out to Big Gretch. Gucci with the wrist. Shout out to my sis. 19 in the clip. Or should I say heat? Because it's just a lip gloss. It ain't no song. No, it's a banger. All right, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned some things. Be on the lookout for more.